Introducing Apple Vision Pro.
Hello everyone, welcome back on Next Time channel. Guys, I'm Ramkesh Singh, Unity game developer, YouTuber and blogger. So friend, in last part we discussed about that Apple Vision Pro, how it is going to work with Unity, and in this tutorial what we are going to do, we are going to just join Unity PolySpatial that is coming soon SDK that will help us to create a spatial application for Apple Vision Pro. Here is the thing, like they have on the beta version, like if you want to apply for beta testing, so you can apply here. And what is the Unity PolySpatial? Apple is working with Unity from last 2 years and they have created PolySpatial. So basically we will use PolySpatial in Unity and then we will able to create a spatial application for Apple Vision Pro. And here is the thing, like here you can see Unity have posted on the LinkedIn that we are excited about our work with Apple and our integration for visionOS. Unity's PolySpatial technology. So this is the new technology in Unity. Developers will able to use our RT3D tools to bring new existing games apps to Apple Vision Pro and create an incredible experience in spatial computing. Launch the WWDC. I have already watched and explain in this tutorial. If you have not watched, so you can just go and check out. And here is the thing, that get started with the spatial creation. So be the first creator for the Apple Vision platform. So here we have to fill some data, and basically this is the new thing. And the XR interaction toolkit, our foundation will be with them, but there will be new things like pass-through means when camera open and we are able to see the real environment, so that's we call dynamic foveated, means it's just focus on the center, it's so in more detailing and side is less detailing. Here you can see with a deep integration between Unity, new PolySpatial technology and visionOS. Okay, so basically they are using a new OS operating system on Apple Vision Pro, and your app can sit alongside other apps in shared space. So these terms I have explained in my tutorial, so you can go and check out. And by combining Unity authoring and simulation capability with Reality, so Reality Kit is a Apple that they will use to create application for their Apple Vision Pro. Simulation capability with Reality Kits, manage app rendering, content created with Unity will look and feel at home. Apply now to be selected Unity beta program for visionOS, where you can create with your tutorials, with our tutorials. So we will get tutorials on it, templates as well as sample apps, so you can bring your existing Unity created content to reimagine experience. So I have already watched, you have not watched, so you can just go and check it out. So let's sign up for it. Just click on the send. Boom. So now I have got the big thank you for sign up, receiving updates about the upcoming Apple VisionOS platform. As beta becomes available, you will receive information resources how to get started. Cool guys, and when I will get, it means you will get. Okay, so thank you from my side and see you in next tutorial. And just in the next part I will share that few content on from Apple, and next part I will show you some exciting thing about the Apple Vision Pro. So bye bye, take care, see you in next tutorial.